Made in India Sputnik V COVID-19 doses are likely to be available from September-October, said Dr. Reddy's Laboratories on Monday. Speaking to ANI, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories said, "We expect that locally manufactured doses are likely to be available from the September-October period." Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Russian Direct Investment Fund signed an agreement for the distribution of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories also informed that they have received 31.5 lakh doses of Component 1 and 4.5 lakh doses of Component 2 of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. "We have received 31.5 lakh doses of Component 1 and 4.5 lakh doses of Component 2 of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. We are working closely with the RDIF to ramp up supplies. We are also working closely with our partners in India for manufacturing readiness," read the release by the company. The Sputnik V vaccination launch we initiated as a pilot in May 2021 has seen gradual and steady commercial scale-up and rollout all over India since then, having now reached around 80 cities in India. We have partnered with major hospitals around the country and set up our cold chain infrastructure across more than 300 locations since the vaccine requires -18 degrees Celsius temperature, it added. Recently, Russian Direct Investment Fund also issued a statement and said that the production of Russia's Sputnik V in India is expected to come fully into production in September. Production in India is expected to come fully on stream in September, and RDIF expects India to become a major production hub for the Sputnik V vaccine, with such companies as Serum Institute of India, the world's biggest vaccine producer, Gland Pharma, Hetero Biopharma, Panacea Biotech, Stelis Biopharma, Virchow Biotech, and Moripin Laboratories working to produce the vaccine, the RDIF said. News Desk, Kaumudy English.